Hi everyone, welcome to week 1 of e-learning. To get to the point, I wanted to make one really big announcement. College Board announced this week that they would not be doing paper pencil exams for the AP test. So what this means for us is we're going to have to change the way we've been doing this class ever so slightly. What they've decided to do instead, and they don't have all the details ironed out, they're still trying to work it out, is they are going to do online exams for all AP tests. What they think that's going to look like right now is instead of doing multiple choice, they're only going to do free response questions. You'll have a set amount of time to do the free response questions. I don't know if it'll be the same as what we've been working on. I don't know if it'll be different. I'm still waiting for a final email on that. And then you'll do it from home to avoid the contact with other people, and also as a result of so many schools shutting, in some cases in the States, until the end of the year. So that being said, some of what we're doing also to align with College Board is going to change because so many students are home during this time doing e-learning or distance learning instead of actual classes. College Board has decided to post online lessons from them that correlate with the test. So we are going to do our best to attend those lessons. In the States, they are live sessions. I'm going to see if I can record those for you and post them. If so, they will become part of our weekly thing, or however many they actually publish online for us. Now, if for some reason I'm unable to record the online lectures that they're posting or online lessons, I highly encourage you, if you intend to take the test, to maybe stay up late on 1 or 2 of the days and attend those sessions, because anything College Board is giving us as a resource, we should probably take advantage of. Now, coming to our actual week ahead, we have 3 days this week: Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Sunday, we will be doing our last discussion of The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, and how we're going to do that is I will share a Google Doc with you, and we're going to do a virtual graffiti wall. So I'll share the doc with you with the questions. You are responsible for responding to each of the questions that are posted. Now, in addition, you must comment on at least 2 other people's posts or 2 other people's responses. So everybody will be responding in this document. You will answer the question, but I'm going to ask that you write your name at the end of it. So full disclosure, it's not anonymous like it would be in the classroom, because I need to know who I have to grade. And then you're going to use the comment option in your Google Doc to comment on other people's responses. Okay? And more details to come on that. Obviously, in the next video, I will show you what I mean by that. But then Tuesday, you're going to do Space Cat. So I will give you an article, and I want you to practice doing Space Cat. Again, we did it such a long time ago, so you might have to return to your notes and look and refresh your memory on what Space Cat is. Complete the worksheet with the article that I give you, and that will have to be submitted on Tuesday. Everything obviously via Google Docs per the letter or per the email you received from Miss Aisha. Then on Thursday, we are going to try and watch the AP lesson that College Board has posted. It's being live run Wednesday at 3 o'clock in America, so very late for us. If I can record it, I'll post it for you, and your assignment for Thursday will just be a reflection on that. But if I can't, for whatever reason, what I'm going to do is post your final assessment for The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, which is going to be a paper. It'll be an argumentative essay, and I'm going to ask that you give me a planning sheet or an outline of how you intend to approach that argumentative essay. Okay? So furthermore, I know that we are social distancing, but I also know that this is a kind of difficult class and some of us might struggle with our assignments. So there is a small possibility that I will do in-person office hours. You won't have to attend those office hours by any means, but what it'll be is I'll probably tell you, hey, from this time to this time on this day, I'm going to be in Starbucks or Caribou, and you're welcome to come see me. Don't feel like you have to, but if you think that you're struggling with something and you know doing an email isn't enough for you, then by all means come and visit me during those times. Or if you want to meet up in general at school or whatever, just shoot me an email if you're really struggling and we'll work something out. Okay? That being said, I'm available from 8 to 3 every day during the week, except the weekends, obviously every work day, I should say. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to ask me, shoot me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as physically possible. And happy week 1. If you need anything, just let me know. Bye, guys.